This video is going to show you how to install b2evolution from scratch, basically right from the b2evolution site. And first we're going to go to b2evolution.net, and we're going to download the file that we're going to need. So go ahead and click download now for the latest version. There are other few options to do this. There's through Quick Install, and there's also through Fantastico Deluxe. But this is for people who do not have those services and want to do it themselves. So this is how you do it. Pretty simple, really. So, okay, we go ahead and downloaded it. We save the file directly to our hard drive. So we're going to go ahead and go to our hosting. So go ahead and type in your hosting details at HostGator. So first, if we're going to be using this domain right here, you don't have to do this next step. But if you want to install it to, say, example.com, we're going to have to go down to Domains, click on Add-on Domains, and then we're going to type in the new, after you type in blog there, you don't have to hit blog again, but so go ahead and do that, fill that in. Now you've registered your domain that you want to. Take a few minutes here, a few seconds here actually. And then once this is done, we're going to click on Home. I'm going to go down to File Manager. And then we're going to go to where you just had it. Say blog.com. And then you're going to upload, and then browse, and then you're going to want to go to your downloads file. So go down to b2evolution, and it'll start up automatically. And this will just take a few minutes to do that. While we're waiting for that, I already have it installed actually in another domain. And that domain is right here. So you can see it was installed right to here. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit extract when you're done with that. So it extracts it right there. That's already extracted, so I'm just going to cancel it out. And now you see you have the folder right here, b2evolution. Now you don't want to have it bidroad/b2evolution/blog. So go ahead and open this file up. Normally this would have files in here. You're going to have to go ahead and click Select All, and then you want to click Move File. When you click on Move File, it'll bring up a folder just like this. And then you want to type in like that right there. You're going to have it right into your main domain, and you're going to hit Move File. All your files will then come directly to the domain that you want to install it in. So the blogging domain that you have installed b2evolution on should be, say, example.com/blogs or /doc or /gettext. So now that we have all those files extracted and into the right place, we're going to go ahead and close this down, and we're going to go back to our home page at HostGator. Now I want to go down to Database before we install this through the installer. b2evolution actually has an installer, so it's really easy to use. All you have to do is create a database first. So we're going to go ahead and create the database for bidroad. Now you're going to need to remember these details very specifically. Creating this right now. Then you want to go back. Remember this right here. You need the nerds. That's your hosting username. Underscore, and then whatever you call the database. So now you need to create a user. So again, I'm going to just do that, and then I'm going to do password, and then you got to create the user. Again, you need to know this one. And then finally, you need to add that user to the database. So you're going to go down to, oops, where am I at? The user is bidroad, and the database is bidroad. You're going to click Add. You want to assign all privileges, make changes. That's it. Go back. You're pretty much done there. Now you have all of your database details. So you want to open up a new window, type in your main domain, and hit enter. Now this will take you to the main page. Now you want to hit installer. That'll bring up, if you want to do different languages, just click there. It's going to pick English. Localhost is almost always the same. Remember the database domain is learns at bidroad. The username is also the same, and the password was bidroad1. Then you'll need to put in make sure you want to have your URL correctly. We'll put in your email address and click on Update Config File. This is a new installation, so we're going to click Go, and it'll go ahead and just run right through it. So you can see everything going there. Now you can log in. Make sure you write down this password. You can log right in there. And bam, you are done. It is simple as that to install B2evolution directly from the site instead of using Quick Install or Fantastico.